Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something. Let's see, January 25th is Chinese New Year. It's for a couple weeks, and the local 99 Ranch Market has all sorts of really neat promotions right now. So they've got all sorts of cool stuff in from China and elsewhere. This is one of them. There's like 4 different varieties of this. Check this out. Yeah. The Chongqing. Yeah. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. I need somebody who's a fluent Chinese speaker so I can learn the correct way to pronounce it. But it's like Chongqing. Chongqing. But it's cow is starving Chongqing style noodle. But yeah, this one looks good. It was the green one. That's what I decided. I'll go with the green one. Now, to cook this, the cooking process is 1 minute. You're saying, 1 minute? How can you cook anything in 1 minute? I will show you. Comes in a big plastic tray thing. Here's the noodle pouch. See this right here? 60 seconds. I want to send out a thank you to Annie T of Malaysia and Kyle K of Taiwan for help with translation. And the nice lady at 99 Ranch Market who actually told me, yeah, those are Chongqing noodles, yeah. I'm like, oh. I figured... I didn't know that was a style, because there's the Baija stuff, and there's like, it's a series of Chongqing style noodles, but I didn't know that was just a flavor and style, so I'm learning every day along with everybody out there, so that's kind of how it goes. But, yeah, oh, 1 minute. Yeah. The noodles are already cooked, basically. So after a minute, you know, they don't really need. Oh, I don't need to turn the heat on. What am I thinking? These steep in the tray usually. But yeah, it's a burly tray with the lid, and then usually we'll just drain them out there. I prefer not to go that route because it's just easier not to. But yeah, big old tray. Anybody need a tray? Got my Bernie shirt from 2016. This thing got big. I got small. Yeah, noodles are, I would say these noodles are good. They're all done. They don't really require a heck of a lot. They just need to kind of, what do you call it? They just need to kind of loosen. And here they are. I'd say the thing about this little thing I've got my camera on now, the only problem is that it's the steam. Because I want to be able to get it so everybody can see everything, but I don't want to get it so it's like impossible to work with. So what I'm going to do, because the instructions are really, really, really basic. Ah, shit. That didn't work out well. Did I get it all over myself? I did. Ooh. Kind of sweet. Well, that's just water. And then we've got this wet sachet. That was weird. That last one, it's almost like it was under pressure, but I don't think it was. More goo. Oh, that's thick stuff. So the lady at the store, she was like, oh yeah, this will probably be spicy. I'm hoping so. This smells really good. But Annie affirmed, or confirmed rather, that it was Chongqing style. And so did Kyle. And he added that it was Xiao Mian. So you probably have heard of Xiao Mian. Well, change the romanization to Xiaomian. It's like for some reason we turn it into Maine, like lo mein and chow mein. Xiao Mian. Instant noodle pa mian. They call me in Taiwan pa mian daren, which is like the noodle master or the noodle expert. I've got many names. Some are nice, some aren't. That's okay. I'm not a local. I don't expect the same. It's like who's this crazy dude? But it smells hella good. Let's give it a try. That's what I'm planning on doing right about now. Let's give it a try. Wow, it smells like spicy and sweet. Oh, that's a lot of there's a lot of Szechuan pepper, but honestly, man, with the right garnish, that thing would be like, I would totally be all about that. Now, I think this is garnish. I didn't want to put it in and end up... Yeah, this goes on top. Okay. So let's make it so. We're going to... This is the tricky thing. I don't want to get all the sauce and stuff on the edges because it's white. So that causes a little bit of a hard thing with plating, but there we go. That... Let me look. I'm going to kind of bring it down a little bit more. It looks like we actually might have just enough sunlight. Yeah, maybe not. It was sunny earlier. It was like really sunny. I appreciated that. But no more. Okay. Yeah, after I take the glamour shots, I'll give that a taste too. But yeah, I think that's what I'll do to it. It's spicy. It does have a slight sweetness to it. The noodles are pretty good. They're you know, fresh pouchy noodle. Ooh, there. Whoa there, sucker. Okay. I went and I looked through all the settings, and there is nothing I can do about making the screen pop off like the way it's been doing. At least I haven't looked on this screen. Preset view. Yeah, there's nothing. There's nothing. There's just nothing. There's nothing. Just to let you know, there's nothing that can be done. Alright. Well, let's let Rotato do its rotation. Right? Alright, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.